Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a modern mesh gradient hero section using layer styles in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a wide canvas for a hero layout. First I draw a large rounded rectangle using the custom shape tool. Then I apply multiple gradient overlays with soft color transitions to build a mesh effect. After that, I duplicate the shape and blur it slightly to enhance depth. Now I add subtle noise using layer styles to avoid flat gradients. Next, I apply inner glow softly to keep edges clean. Then I refine color balance so gradients blend naturally. After this, I adjust opacity layers for smooth transitions.